back to my channel. My name is Cathy Borrero, aka Cosambella. Easy, we're here one more time to do a new Quarenflip video. I'm excited for this one because summer is around the corner. I need new clothes, but I can't get out of my house because of the panoramic. So from an old sweater, I'm making a bra and a cardigan. It's going to be really cute. I really hope you like it because I enjoyed this one. I enjoyed the vibes. I enjoyed making the pictures and everything. It's super cute. Me perdonan, porque I didn't make a before video of the sweater. So I'm just going to show you some pictures that I got from when I was making this video. So the question of the day is, am I a Bratz doll? Am I a fairy or am I a Barbie? At the end of this video, please leave your comments down below. I want to see your answer. Anyway, comencemos. I'm starting by measuring how long the cardigan will be and save that extra part for the bra. Next is to cut the sweater in half. Now I'm giving the neckline a finishing look. This is by cutting the inside of the neckline 3 centimeters and fold it to the inside and pinning it together as I create like a little triangle. And after it, I just going to sew it like I show on the video. So now I'm giving the cardigan a zigzag stitch to make sure everything stays on point. And after I stitch a single fold. So the cardigan looks good, and now I can start doing the bra. Remember, measuring is key before you cut the fabric. As you can see, mine was too big, so I had to remove 1 centimeter. This kind of fabric is really difficult because it's going to be very messy when you cut. So I hope you have a better fabric than me. And finish it again with a single fold. Y ahora que todo nos queda perfecto, que todo nos queda como nos gusta, ahora sí podemos comenzar con the straps. I'm pinning marking points equally from the sides and attaching the straps for later to stitch it. And finally quedó como una Cosambella.